Here in these steps, these are decarboxylation. CO2 molecule is removed, then dehydration, removal of water molecules. Okay. Then here reductions means ZnHg in presence of HCl gives fluorines. Then here last synthesis of fluorine, that is the name is Fischer synthesis. Fischer's synthesis or Fischer's method. Fischer's method. Two synthesis very important for your exam, 3 or 4 marks. Okay, Fischer's methods. So here fluorine may be prepared by Fischer synthesis starting with ortho-amino diphenyl methane. Ortho-amino diphenyl methane. Ortho-amino diphenyl methane in first. In second, ortho-amino diphenyl methane on diazonations gives diazonium salt. So diazonium means N2 positive, that is the diazonium salt, which on heating with copper gives fluorine. So generally ortho-amino diphenyl methane on diazotine gives diazonium salt, which on heating with copper gives fluorine. So here first is ortho-amino diphenyl methane. So here 6-member ring, here 6-member. Okay. Then here first is biphenyl methane. Okay. Then biphenyl methane. Next ortho-amino means ortho position here NH2, that is the ortho-amino diphenyl methane in presence of sodium nitrite and H2SO4. So here gives diazonium salt. So first heterocyclic similar, second similar, then third similar. Okay, alternate double bond writing. Okay, then here these are N2 positive, these are HSO4 negative, these are a diazonium salt. Then these diazonium salt which on heating copper in presence of copper and H2SO4 sulfuric acid gives fluorine. Here then here. Okay, these are fluorine. Okay, these 4 synthesis of fluorine. Fischer's method. Fluorine may be prepared by Fischer synthesis starting materials with ortho-amino diphenyl methane. Okay, in second step, ortho-amino diphenyl methane on diazotization gives diazonium salt, which on heating with copper gives fluorine, like as the reactions. Okay, synthesis topic are completed. Next, discussing chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. Chemical reactions of fluorine. So first is acetylation. First is acetylation. So simple definition, acetylation means the reaction, two types of acetylation. One is alkylation, another is acetylation. So here acetylation, the reaction in which one hydrogen atom of an benzene is replaced by one acetyl group. Acetyl group, that is the CH3 bond C double bond O single bond, that is the acetyl group. So first is fluorine, like as these are fluorine, okay, in presence of AlCl3. These are acetic anhydride, gives here double bond, here double bond, here COCH3, COCH3, that is the 2 acetyl fluorine, okay, 2 acetyl fluorine, 2 acetyl fluorine. So one hydrogen atom of an phenyl is replaced by acetyl group CH3 C double bond O single bond, okay. Next is halogenation, similar. Next means second reaction, halogenations, okay. So first, fluorine on halogenation gives fluorine on halogenation gives 2 halofluorine first, and then gives 2,7 dihalofluorine, 2,7 dihalofluorine. So 2 times halogenation generally. First is 2 halofluorine, second is 2,7 dihalofluorine. So here halo means X is equal to chlorine, bromine or iodine. So here choosing bromination. So first here fluorine okay on AgBr gives first fluorination, first bromination in second position, okay, second position, that is Br, okay. Then another bromination, first 6 member ring, 5 member ring, 6 member ring, okay. Then here Br, okay, then here Br. So here 2,7 dibromofluorine, 2,7 dibromofluorine, okay. The next nitration of fluorine. So same here nitration of fluorine. So here fluorine on nitrating mixture HNO3 plus S2SO4. In second position first, here NO2. So another nitration in presence of nitrating mixture same, then gives same. Here first 5 member ring, second 6 member ring, alternate double bond. Here 2 position already discussing last page, second position, then O2N 7 position. So here 2,7 dinitro, okay, then remaining fluorine, that is the nitration. First is acetylation, second is halogenation, third is nitration. Okay, then next oxidations. Okay, then oxidation. So here fluorine on oxidation in presence of CrO3 acetic acid gives oxidation. Double bond O, that is the fluorine, that is the fluorine. Okay, these are oxidation. Thank you.